I got the device a couple of days earlier, so I can already play around with this device, and I can tell you a price, because here in Germany the 4GB of RAM 64GB version will cost 400 euros, but Huawei is bundling it with an Amazon Echo, the normal Echo, not the Echo Dot. So the Echo that costs around 80 bucks, for example. So overall a nice bundle, I have to say. And I don't understand. My main problem with the Mate 20 Lite is I have no idea why they introduced the P Smart Plus to the German market or to the European market just a couple of weeks ago, because this device is not in every category better, but in so many points, and in this bundle price, it's just the better P Smart Plus. But I will show you later what I mean, because they're so similar. But better. We get different colors here. We got black, sapphire blue, and platinum blue. This here is a black press sample with 64 gigabytes for 64 gigabytes of storage, 4 gigabytes of RAM, and the dual SIM version. The box itself, just a normal Huawei box with not much information on it. And when we open up the device, we see, or let's the hardware specs sheet open. But the thing I wanted to show you is, I turn on the device now, the turn on and off button is on the right side. It's exactly the same display here. We got, again, 6.3 inch, 19.5 to 9 aspect ratio, 409 ppi. It's the same LCD technology, and I'm pretty sure it's not only exactly the same notch, but overall nearly the same case or the same housing of the device. So there we got the notch. And what I wanted to show you is, if you go around the device, both devices got the on-off button that is the same size, the volume button are exact same. The design of the case and the feeling of the frame is exactly the same. Okay, microphones are on the different sides here, but SIM card slots are again at the exactly same place. Antenna stripes are at the exactly same place. And if you look down here, even the headphone jack, the ports and speaker and the microphone are at the same space if you compare them. But with one major difference. The Mate 20 Lite comes with USB Type-C. Yes, it's still just USB 2.0, but we finally got USB Type-C. On the back side, let me get off this. And here, NFC. So this device got finally NFC. No NFC for the P Smart Plus. We get better cameras on the back side. It's now 20 megapixel with an aperture of 1.8 and 2 megapixel depth sensor. And one thing that frightens me a little bit, because the cameras are just standing out of the housing. There's no protection for the camera lenses. If you look closely, now go camera, sharpen up, sharpen. So there is nothing protecting the camera lenses. Nothing. But let's find out how they will last over the next couple of days and weeks. Fingerprint sensor is nicely placed on the back side. Overall, the glass backside feels nice. The aluminum frame feels nice. Buttons look nice. And on the front side, it stays the same 24 megapixel front-facing camera with the 2 megapixel depth sensor, 2.0 aspect aperture. But I have definitely don't get your hopes up too high, because on the P Smart Plus this was just okay as well, and portrait modes never really worked. So what else do we get? We got, I already told you all the specs. I mean, that's it. We should have to look what else is inside the box. No starting guide, no papers, no case, but there shouldn't be a case with this device. We got the SIM card tool, that's it. And we got a black device and get white cables and charger. And we still get headphones with the device. We got USB to USB Type-C cable, a little bit grayish, and our normal white USB Type-A Huawei charger with an output of 9 volt and 2 amperes. So we got an 18 watt charger. So there you have it. I have to say, for a price of 400 euros, I would never ever take a look at this device. I mean, you get the Honor 10 with a way better camera and way better CPU for less money, or maybe exactly the same price. Now we got this Amazon bundle that's making this device a little bit more attractive, but it's still just the Lite. Of course, we will see later in the year still the Mate 20, maybe Mate 20 Pro or Mate 20 Plus or something like that. Of course, otherwise we wouldn't have the Mate 20 Lite. And another thing, we got a bigger battery, 3750 milliampere hours. So just in direct comparison, if you sell the Amazon, or maybe the price drops, or even if the price drops equally, and you have to pay, let's say 20, 30 or even 40 euros more for the Mate 20 Lite in comparison to the P Smart Plus, I would still say go for the Lite. The battery life will be better. You get USB Type-C, you got NFC, you got 5 GHz band Wi-Fi, so you get the better camera at the backside, or hopefully better camera at the backside. So this is it. This is the new Huawei Mate 20 Lite, and I got